am showing an old method of treatment with dried black pepper for the disease symptoms of coughing, sneezing, throat pain, and nostril discharge. During 1940 to 1950, I was a student in Tellicherry, the city of famous Tellicherry garbled pepper. That time when I was suffering with disease, showing symptoms, coughing, sneezing, and nostril discharge and throat pain, my grandmother treated me and cured me with black pepper. Nowadays, we are fearing of COVID-19 virus disease. The symptoms of the COVID-19 disease are similar to the disease which I was suffered in 1945. Now, I am showing the method of treatment. Take one pepper and prick it with a needle and burn it in the candle flame like this. Then smoke will come out from black pepper. You can see it now. Then the smoke, you take it through nose. Then the smoke will reach to our respiratory tract and throat. The viruses remaining in the respiratory tract and throat, all virus remaining will be destroyed. Then the disease also will be cured. I show another treatment of pepper, that is called gava. Take 1 glass of pure water. Take 10 seeds of pepper and 2 small pieces of dried ginger, powder pepper and ginger, and that powder you mix it in this water. Then boil it. Then it will reduce. After boiling this water, this will be reduced to 1/4 of this. Then this mixture, slowly bring it. Then your throat pain and sometimes happen viral fever, that also be recovered, cured. Once a day only you take this treatment for 2 days. Within 3 days disease will be cured. But another thing I say, the symptoms of coughing sometimes occur when tuberculin bacteria, TB, affect lungs. Continuous coughing, and sometimes cancer cells affect lungs. our lungs, we will cough continuously. That time, we should not wait for this 2 days treatment. We approach a doctor and get treatment. This treatment, it is centuries ago, I mean the pepper treatment centuries ago in Rome and Arab countries. Arab people and Romans came to Malabar, the pepper land, with a lot of golden coins to collect this pepper, not for their food but for medicine. It was a precious medicine centuries ago. A Roman historian in the time of 1st century, Roman historian Pliny wrote that gold coins are flowing from Rome to Pepperland for collecting pepper. So it was so precious medicine, long enough time. Thank you for it.